Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will continue chapter 2, State and the Nation. Yesterday we will discuss about state and sovereign and state and the society. Okay, state and sovereign power. Yesterday we will discuss it. Now today we will discuss state and the nation. Nation meaning nationality. Nation means is when you have effect of the country level. Country level. Okay. Actually, this nation in which word derived from Latin word. Latin word natus and natio. Natus and natio. This is which word? Latin word. Latin language word. Latin words. What is made by? What is the meaning of natus and natio? It is natus and natio meaning born, putta. Okay, born. Okay, national, state and the nation. Nation, it is the Latin word from derived from natus and natio. Natus and natio, Latin words it is called born. Nationality. Okay, first state is the first, second nation. First is state. Society is common. Society divide one of the side, one of the group. State. Okay, state and nation. What is the main difference between state and the nation? Nationality, country level. State, only one of the part. National, one of the part. It's called state. National, one of the part. It is called state. State power, nation power. Okay. This nationality not only belongs to one country level. Nationality meaning here religions also main effect of the nation. So state and sovereign power. So here yesterday already we will discuss about the state and society, state and government, state and sovereignty. Now state and nation. So nation this is the mainly people's effect, main one people's group, the group of the people, the group of the people. Group of the people, it's called society. The society are one of the part. First is society common. Society is permanent. Government is temporary. Okay. Society is the permanent, but government is temporary. Change. People also sometimes change the government. But nation. The nation means here some part. Nation, so many type of governments are there. Nation, state government and central government. Okay, state and central government. These are governments very depend on the nation wise. The nation is actually 4th to 5th century BC. 4th to 5th century BC. 4th to 5th century BC. This nation word is mainly belongs to first imagine in Latin countries, Latin language countries. Example, South European countries, Greece, Roma, Italy. So these are countries mainly first start a nation. So this nation mainly born. What is the main born? People's born. The people's born and ruling for one country level. People's born and ruling one country level. One country or one effect of the one national wise. Okay, here two type of categories there. National and state. Nation and state. What is the main difference between nation and state? Okay. Nation and state. All states depend national. But and nation also sometimes depend on the states. So there are two types of categories. First topic is society. Society after next state. Okay, society is divided some states. Society whole society divided some parts of state. The state is divided again divided nation wise. The nation again divided state. Here depend related words. This words relationship. What is the main relation of the nation and state? Okay, nation means only country level. This is the effect only countryside. Okay, state country one of the part, one of the region. This state only depend one of the region or one of the place, one of the region or one of the place. So nation rules and regulation. Next to rules and regulations. Rules and regulation are common nation wise. National rules and regulation common, but state sometimes change. Sometimes change of the rules and regulation. Change of the rules and terms and conditions, rules and regulations. Sometimes changes of the rules and regulations. Okay. Particularly, mainly state is the one of the region, nation and state. Okay. Rules and regulations also compared to one side to the side. Okay. Nation next to population. Population is more nation wise. Next to third one population. Population is more. Okay, here population more, but state population is low. Okay, population is low category. Next lowest of the population is state wise. Lowest of the population. Okay, so here difference between nation and state. Population is more every nation compared to largest population area also different. For example, here population and area. Area means not just boundaries. For example, Russia, Canada, USA, China, Australia, and India. These are the long boundaries. So many lakhs square kilometer distance there. So many lakhs square kilometer distance. Longest boundary of the nations, longest boundary of the countries. So these are population is also 2 by the population, 2 by the total 1 to more population in these countries there. Which countries particularly? Which countries? Russia, USSR, and Canada. Next China. Okay. Next US, United States of America, US. Next Australia. Okay. Next India. So these are countries area wise distance. The country boundary are distance wise large boundaries of the countries. USSR, Canada, China, USA, Australia, and India. So these boundaries are also distance, but nations also different. Yes, different countries, different type of follow the rules, following rules and regulations. State is depend on nation wise. The state power. Next to powering of the two levels. Powering of the two levels. Powering of the two levels. What is main strongly powered? Nation. Nation is the strongly powered. Nation is strongly. This power mainly man to man, person to person changes. Nation is strongly powered, and legislative, executive powers also. And which powers also? Legislatives. Next executive powers, executive members. Legislative meaning, for example, legislative local self-governing bodies. Executives, for example, president, prime minister, executive parts. Okay, parliament, president, prime minister, executive parts. Okay, so nation is strongly the power under the control by legislative members, executive members. Next to state. But state depend on the nation. Same nation and state. State also same power. State also the power is same. But state is the executive. The state wise executive powers. Governor, chief minister, next state assembly. These are the executive powers. Governor, chief minister, CM, and state assemblies. All states assembly. Okay. Here state also same power. Nation and state. The rule of power is same. But is some states is different type of methods there. Some states. Okay. So this is the main important of the nation and states power. But and this is executive power and also law system also mainly under the control by the nation wise. Rule of law, judiciary. Okay, rule of law and judiciary system. Judiciary, rule of law. These are the total national wise. State wise judiciary also there, but all states mainly the states judiciary, the state of the law under the depend of the nation wise only. So vice versa. Here countries, every country judiciary power and departments, different type of departments. The department also under the control by the law and under the control by the judicial system. So different type of departments, state wise and nation wise. Economical survey also recently conducted, the economical survey. So every state government economical survey also recently conducted. The state wise mainly which type of categories is more, particularly very poor people, below poverty line peoples, BPL, okay, and rich category type of persons, and income, expenditure. Economically survey also conducted every state. Who is appointed mainly central means here national wise. So every nation depend under the population. The population is different countries population is different. So more population of the countries China, India, and USA. Okay, Indonesia. These are countries strongly power and parliamentary type of system and president system of the government also connected. So nations wise mainly parliamentary system. Every nation's parliamentary theory system connected. Parliamentary theory system. And some countries presidential theory system also connected. Parliamentary and presidential. So the state only depend under the boundary area only. So state to state difference. One state to another state. But nation is a same type of method. Nation is the same type of method, same type of rule, and rules and regulations same. But state to state, sometimes state power also changing. Sometimes state power also changing. So the state powers come Jammu and Kashmir and Telangana and Karnataka. Example, state to state is the total changing of the power. The state is mainly auto formation, particularly Indian states formation religious wise and language wise. Language wise also may depend on the state. Language, next religions, language and religion. Next boundary type of lines. Boundary type of lines. So language wise also mainly depend on the states. So language, for example, our Indian states established linguistic ways. Linguistic means language ways. Okay, different states, different type of language is mainly spoken to different type of culture also. Okay, but state nation is only one language, national language. Okay, the group of people also mainly depend on nation wise total whole groups and language religions wise also mainly established of these some states. Religions wise Hindu, Muslims, Christian, okay, and Sikh religions. For example, Punjab mainly formation of the religious wise. Sikh religion, Punjabi language type. Okay, next boundary lines. Next boundary countries boundary lines. Indo-Pakistan, Afghanistan and China. Okay. Boundary lines also mainly depend on the state power, but nations power common is the same power. Nation power, state power is mainly same, but rules and regulation some state to state is different. State to state, rules and regulation is different, but is commonly same rule. Follow the rule, same method, same rule. In which areas? National areas. Nations example. Now we will discuss now nations and states examples. Oh. Nations example, for example, common boundary departments, post and telegraph office, post and telegraph, road and railways, road and railways, and next education also. Education is both level, nation and state level. Health and education. Okay, health and education. These are the main examples of the national level. Post and telegraph office, railways, road and railways. Okay, telephonic system, health and education, hospitals and school, colleges, universities. We are told both levels are there. Okay, post and telegraph office only nation wise, and health also nation wise. Road and railways, railway also nation wise, and next education. Education is commonly state wise also there. So state wise are what is mainly forest, state wise forest. Okay, rural area forest and remote sensing forest. Okay, next society type, small type of reserve forest, particularly which type of reserve forest, and police department, forest police. And next education commonly both level. Education is state level and national level. Forest, police, next education, agriculture, etc. And next agriculture also. So these are the mainly state level. Okay, education is commonly national wise and state wise. Both level is also there. So nations is the society, the man is the superman. Here mainly society is also totally one of the part of the nation wise. For example, smallest countries, Vatican City, and next to Antarctica regions, Australia regions. Those smallest countries, population wise smallest countries also. Nations totally, national feelings totally different. Okay, this is the main difference between state and nation. Next, state and association also will explain clearly. Associations, organizations, and next state and citizenship. Citizenship also main important of the nation wise. Citizenships, duties, customs duty. Okay, citizenship, customs duty. Next to transport, road, railways, and air transport. Okay, transport, total all type of. These are the mainly also which level national wise. For example, in our India, how many type of citizenship? Only single citizenship. But America, dual citizenship, dual state, legislative, state wise and senate. Okay, India only single citizenship. That is called Indian citizenship. Indian citizenship. And customs duty, transport. Okay, these are totally under the control by the nation wise. National wise. Next, state wise. The state wise exports and imports. Okay, exports, imports, state to state. Or next, the boundary one particular area to another particular area. Exports and imports. Okay, and next, transport also. For example, in mainly NH, National Highway Transport, roadways. Okay, these are transport, including the transport also, both level. Transport is also same, both level, nation wise and state wise. So these are the main examples of nation and state. The state power is the mainly which power is family power? Nation power. All states depend on nation wise. Why means our Indian government totally parliamentary system of the government. So parliamentary type of government, they are mainly people's only, mainly important of the in this system. The people's power only main important of the in this system. So in this power mainly sometimes directly and sometimes indirectly ruling. Okay, so in our Indian constitution also mainly explained what word and ruling and next power of the system, judicial system. Okay, here nation is the strongly power, but the state sometimes strongly and the state may depend on the nation. So this is the main difference between nation and state. Nation and state. Okay, next what is the main conclusion? Okay, now conclusion, last theory system. Conclusion is the main important of the every chapter. Conclusion. Okay, the above conclusion in this chapter mainly nation is the strongly power, but state is mainly some states to state to different, one state to another state, different power, state power. All states depend on nation, and next nation is totally more population. Population is more nations, but state different. One state is highest population, one state is the lowest population. And next nation and states commonly known as three type of categories. Legislative members, executive members, and judiciary, law or judiciary. And state also same, executives and legislatures and judicial system, state also. So this commonly same power, but is the way of rule is totally different nation and state. Okay, this is conclusion about of the in this chapter, nation and state. Okay, children, tomorrow nations after. Tomorrow we will discuss about sovereignty power. What is total theory of the sovereignty, meaning, definition, and which type of which type of classifications sovereign power we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.